So today we'll be solving our problem of our air gap from our dishwasher spitting out water and flooding the kitchen. So what we do with that one is open up this cap. See how dirty that is. It is the time that you can clean it up. Just push that around. I'm using hot water. Closely in your air gap, there's two pins that hold the top together, so kind of just push that in and pull the top out. If you can't squeeze it in, you might want to use a flathead screwdriver to kind of push that in. See that there's no gunk stuck in here, so it means that it's probably in the inside. You see that hole over there? So you need to get the tool to clean that out, like a hose. If you don't have that, well, we have a solution for that. So here we just have a cable wire, and I'm just gonna remove the end, and we're gonna use that to pipe through our hole. So now we're gonna pipe through our cable wire in that hole in the bottom, right there. And what that's gonna do is dislodge whatever's stuck in there. So after shoving the cable wire down that hole, it finally came out of the disposer, and we can see it there. And when I pulled it out, this was the seam. The cable had a lot of gunk in it, so it means that the hose from the disposer going up to the air gap has a lot of gunk in it. I'm gonna run my cable through again in that hole for a second time, just to be sure that all the gunk is out. And you'll see the end of my cable right there coming out, so it means I've already cleared the line. And then just put back your air gap assembly like that. Probably have to push it in again with the screwdriver. Clips, push it in, and return the cover. You're done.